How to turn on the red effect on the Samsung Galaxy Android 14. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn this red effect on your phone. If you are using a Samsung phone that is Android 14, then you can do this. Go to the setting option firstly, scroll down and search for the accessibility option. Now from the accessibility, what you can do is tap on the vision enhancement option. Now you will see many options right here. Among there, scroll down and go to the color filter option, which is turned off. Now if I want to choose the red filter, I'll just tap on the red filter and the opacity as well. By adding the opacity and also turning on my color filter on, you can see that my screen is all red. Now if I turn it off, then it will be turned off. Just choosing the opacity will make it how much red you want your screen to be. So this is how you can do this. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.